What's happening, crypto fam? Happy Monday. Good morning and welcome back to Love for Crypto. I'm Scott. It's a pleasure to have you here. I appreciate taking the time out to consume the content, so thank you. Last night we had the Alonzo update, the hard fork, as many are liking to call it. The latest upgrade ushers in an era of smart contract composability for the network. So, Cardano gains smart contracts. What does it mean? Now, I know you're all going to be like, oh, the price dipped. Like, look, that was mostly expected. It was exciting to see a potential run off the bat immediately. It's still exciting to know that the update went through and that there's now potentially a hell of a lot more developers, programmers, and basically projects being worked on Cardano. So it's exciting. I don't give a shit if the price dipped a little bit. What's a dip? What's a fucking dip? It's a sale. It's a sale. Yeah, that's what it is. So treat it like one, bro. Cardano's network update Alonzo is finally live with Alonzo's arrival at 21:47 UTC. Smart contracts, pieces of code that self-execute when predefined conditions are met, can now begin to be created and deployed on the Cardano mainnet. Cardano is an open source public blockchain developed by Input Output and founded by Charles Hoskinson, one of the founders of Ethereum. First released in September 2017, it was designed to challenge Ethereum's decentralized finance dominance while also maintaining a level of interoperability with Ethereum and other blockchains. Cardano's network update Alonzo is finally live. With Alonzo's arrival, why is it giving me the same fucking paragraph again, mate? Jesus. Smart contracts are the golden ring when it comes to mounting the challenge against Ethereum. After months of progress on the Alonzo testnet, today's hard fork to the Cardano mainnet paves the way for smart contracts to be written in Plutus scripts, a purpose-built smart contract development language and execution platform using the functional programming language Haskell. The update is a key part of the Goldwyn era, which focuses primarily on building smart contract capabilities. Goldwyn was developed in tandem with Shelley, the earlier era that introduced proof-of-stake protocol, Ouroboros, to the network more than a year ago, as part of an effort to build out the network's security and decentralization. A blog post published today by Input Output reminds the Cardano community that development is still early. Let us be clear. There will be bumps in the road. Early user experiences might not be perfect. Some early dApps will have issues. We'll see some great development teams and some poor ones. This is a permissionless, decentralized blockchain, so this is inevitable. The blog post cautioned, and the blog post is linked in the description if you want to go and follow the full thing. It cautioned, let us be clear, there'll be bumps in the road early. This guy loves repeating himself, bro. He's quoted and he's repeating paragraphs. He's re-quoting his quotes. And so they also cautioned there are high expectations resting on this upgrade, some unreasonably so. Cardano watchers may be expecting a sophisticated ecosystem of consumer-ready dApps available immediately. After the upgrade, expectations need to be managed here. Still, Cardano watchers can expect to see a number of simple smart contracts deployed in the first few hours following the Alonzo hard fork, with a possibility of further projects currently under development being rolled out in the coming months. As for Cardano itself, the team will continue to focus on various improvements, including synchronization efforts and compression of transaction script sizes to optimize throughput on the network. Interesting. Indeed, this is the first epoch in which the network exceeded 500,000 transactions. Interesting. Cardano's native currency is down 5% at the time of writing. Again, expected. If it excuse me, when shit don't run immediately off news, it fucking dips, and we all know it does. Always. So in the linkage below, Cardano addresses the smart contracts criticism in depth. In a response to the recent criticism that Cardano faced, the team behind it, including Charles Hoskinson, provided an in-depth explanation. They addressed the validation issue, 2 phases for transaction validation, smart contract updates still scheduled as expected, and it went through. Cardano versus Ethereum. The battle could strengthen. That said, crypto community keeps expecting to see how the so-called Cardano versus Ethereum deploys after the update, where dApps could be a reality on the Cardano blockchain. Interesting. You know what else is interesting? Extremely flaming interesting, right? Is this. The CardanoCrowd.com. Link in the description. Cardano blockchain, ICOs, dApps, DeFi, and more. Submit a dApp. Got a dApp idea for Cardano? Submit your dApp, baby. Yeah. Like it says, decentralized. Anyone can just go and submit a dApp. Like, yo, put this on the network. So what's it used for? The ICO. We can have actually explore the Cardano ICO projects. There are many upcoming ICOs on the way. And what's this next one? Cardano dApps list. Now, I know there's going to be a couple of fine lines between these apps and so-called dApps. Try to decide which one's which. But at the end of the day, we're going to click the dApps list. And oh, look at that, 60 results. We've got Spacebuds, 10,000 unique little astronauts, a little NFT project. We've got Pool Stats, Pool Tool and Insights visual by Heatmap. Pool PM, a State Pools Block Explorer. You'll find that with Pool PM you can view NFTs and stuff as well. Piggy Token, NFT dot, native tokens, Name, Cryptoids, NFTs, 20 legendary creatures. Ooh. Now, I'm not saying all the early shit on here is going to end up worth dough, like all the early shit on Ethereum. But there's a possibility all the early shit on here ends up dough, like all the early shit on Ethereum. There, I fucking said it, and I'll say it again. I'm not going to say it again, but I would say it again. There's a good chance on it. Listen, apps, dApps. I like that. Crypto nitties. Mate. Crypto nitties. It's hard to look at that and say crypto nitties and not just say crypto kitties. Crypto heroes. Well, we'll think of a fucking NFT project where we can put some shabizzle down, and we've still got the Love for Crypto ones as well, actually. So we'll give them away soon. Towards Christmas. Let's be nice around Christmas, and give some NFTs away. And let's create some more for then. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I just had an idea. I'm not going to share it with you because you'll fucking steal it. I know what you're like. I'm talking to you. Yeah, you. Stealing my ideas. This is a good site. Cardano Waves, Cardano Warriors. That reminds me of Pokemon back in the day. That, look at that there. That's just fucking Pokemon, innit? Yo. In 2018 to 2021 has been like, yo, 8-bit is the shit. Man, I got my crypto punk and it worth 2 mil. 8-bit is the shit. And in 2025, everyone's going to be like, I don't want no 8-bit shit. I don't want no 8-bit shit, mate. Look at 8-bit. Why would I want an 8-bit picture? And a fucking, there's a 3D virtual metaverse that looks fucking real. And you know, 8-bit pictures, you do. Turn that in, mate. Turn that in. Cardano Idols, Cardano Gods, the Cardano Explorer, Cardano Cubes, and Blockymon. People telling me there's no apps or dApps. Shut the fuck up. Please. Please do the world a favour and shut your fucking mouth. You're not going to come with some interesting, educational, or intelligent, debatable information. Shut your fucking mouth. Cheers. The rest of you, I love you. You keep screaming from the fucking rooftops. I'm going to have a little scroll through the apps now. Cardiff City. See, some of them, you're like, yo, I want some of that shit. What can I sell to buy it? Because this is, especially the NFT projects, now they've got, right, let's have a fucking go with this, eh? So, you issued tokens, you know that already came to Cardano, right? Issued tokens. Yeah, Scott, yeah, we know we saw some Cardano NFTs. Well, that's what they are, they're issued tokens. You can issue a token where you issue one of one. What's that? What's a token that you issue? One of one? No decimal places. It's an NFT. It's a non-fungible token. And it's a fucking unique one at that, mate. Yeah? A unique one at that. It's one of one. It's unique. There's only fucking one of them. There's no decimal places. It can't be split up or distributed decimally. You can split percentage of ownership in a smart contract. Huh? And that's the key word, isn't it? Smart contract. Now capable. So if the NFTs weren't necessarily smart contracts, which they can be a non-fungible token you can link to a smart contract. I've got no doubts about that shit. The difference being now is Chinook's NFTs and all the other NFTs I've just mentioned. Cardiff City NFT, Touchdown NFT, all the other ones. A developer and programmer can now go and build a dApp through smart contracts and create an auction platform, a marketplace. That's where the smart contracts will truly meet the NFTs. Not only that, looking at DeFi protocols like Uniswap, PancakeSwap, SushiSwap, you swap, I swap, no one swaps, everyone swaps, you swap, we swap, she swaps, he swaps, it swaps, fucking cat swaps, dog swaps, swaps, space swaps, fucking, yeah. All them fucking swaps coming to ADA, coming to an ADA node near you, mate. Hopefully not quite as many off the fucking bat. I don't believe it needs as many. I'd say you need a few marketplaces so people have a choice to go, because you don't understand how fucking prejudiced and fucking horrible some people are, basically. And you will have some people who won't use a Russian platform. You'll have some Russians who won't use an American platform. You'll have some fucking Japanese guy who won't use a Chinese platform. You'll have a Chinese platform Chinese guy who's never going to. You get the fucking idea, mate. Not everyone's going to be happy using someone else's fucking marketplace. So they want their own, and they want one that they can trust. So you've got to have several marketplaces and shit. But beyond that, we don't need 100, do we? We don't need 100. We need as many as you can fucking make places to go and mint NFTs, create platforms, whatever. But when it comes to selling assets, we just need interoperable marketplaces that attach to each other that make it fucking easy. A little bit like OpenSea or the projects, but buy any on there, can't you? As long as it's an Ether project, buy any on there. But what about one that I wanted to buy? I've got to leave OpenSea to go to Wax. What the fuck? So what someone needs to do in the end is look at all these fucking dApps and shit coming out and just be like, right, you know what? I'm going to get the OpenSea API. I'm going to get the Wax.io API. I'm going to get the Cardano dApps API. I'm going to get that API. I'm going to build a website that literally links to every single fucking one of them and means you can cross-trade with interoperability, which is a true internet of value. Someone can make that work. That might get me tomorrow, might get me next week, might be 5 years away from someone building that shit. But the fact of the matter is the smart contracts are there now, and the potential to build it is there now. All it's waiting for is the person to go and fucking build it. Yeah. So, on that note, I'm getting ready for college today. First class of maths tomorrow. Redoing my GCSE maths, mate, because I've got a D and I'm better than a fucking D. I can get at least a B, if not a fucking A, mate, in maths. Yeah. English, I'm gonna struggle. I got fucking Fs in English, and I just need a D or I need a C, man. Straight to the pre-access, do you know what I mean? Got pre-access for university. So I'm doing maths and English at college now for GCSE. Then I'll do, oh, sorry, mate, I didn't mean that. I'll do a pre-access one. I'll do a pre-access and then go to university. Now, I can do pre-access to higher learning if I get C's in maths and English GCSE. But if I only get D's, which I've already got a D in maths, if I only get a D in English, I'll have to go for pre-access. Yeah. Whereas if I can raise them both to a C or above, I can just go access to higher learning, do a year at college doing science and stuff, applied sciences, combined sciences, and then move on to university to do some engineering, mate, aerospace and astronautics. Oh yeah. So yeah, I've got to make sure I'm ready today, got all my stuff together, and I'm good to go in the morning. As for you, you know the dance. Invest in yourself, invest in internet of value. If you're interested in the Cardano, Alonzo update, go and have a read at all the shit properly. You know, I only skim through stuff and there's more articles to read through. There's more stuff and information to chase. So yeah, invest in yourself, invest in internet of value. Live long and hodl it all. Never let it go. You don't have to. Try and stake it. Yeah. Stake it and bake it, baby. stake it and bake it. So we love crypto, we love the internet of value, and we love you. So take care of yourself, enjoy the rest of your week, and I will see you on the next one. Peace.